Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a Jacquemus unboxing, and I am so excited for this unboxing, guys. This has been in my wish list on Jacquemus for quite a long time, and finally I was able to get a hands on this beauty right here. And well, first of all, this is how it came in with. So it came in with a brown box with the Jacquemus right there, their logo. And then surprisingly, there is a sticker. Wow, what a lovely colorful sticker. So here are the lovely sticker. This is a really nice surprise. I did not expect that they have included this sticker right here. I really think they are so cute. Definitely the cutest freebie that they have. And also this one came in with a receipt as well right here. Wow, this came in with this really nice cardboard. Wow, very lovely. So it says Jacquemus right there. When you open it, a thank you note saying merci Jacquemus right here. You wanted to return it, so there is the return procedure, and also at the back this is a return label. If you wanted to return it, you don't need to contact them. All you have to do is just stick the label on the package. And also, I don't think you required a return merchandise authorization if you return an item. So pretty much that return label right here, it is pretty convenient if you wanted to return something. But in this purchase, I doubt it. I doubt if I will be returning this. So anyway, so here comes the bag. So they put it on this paper right here. Wow, the tissue paper is thick as well. The reason why I am so particular with the packaging, that's because I could easily compare this packaging to the other fashion houses, but I really think that their packaging for Jacquemus, especially with this paper right here, it's pretty durable. So anyway, so let me just slide in on the side, and they have a dust bag. So this is their dust bag, more likely a canvas bag. It is more of a cream color. So they have their logo right there, Jacquemus. But the first thing I've noticed with their dust bag, it is rough though. I'm not sure. Let's see. The inside is also the same texture as outside. So most of the time I have noticed that the interior part is the softer part of the dust bag, and then the outside could be rough. Or sometimes with Louis Vuitton, their outside is softer than the inside. But this one has the same texture on the outside. But that's okay. It is very sturdy. A very nice dust bag. Very nice. So let me reveal. Are you guys ready? Here comes the item that I've purchased. Wow. Look at that. So beautiful. So this item, they actually call this a Baneto. And it is a camera or a crossbody bag. And for some reason, they this one went on sale. I think they have a semi-annual sale. And I don't know. I just went to the website. I didn't receive any notification at all that they have a semi-annual sale. And I found this on the website for $345 US. And I said, oh wow, this has been in my wish list. I mean, right away, I didn't really waste my time and purchased this item right here. I also looked at other colors. They have it in pink. They also have it in dark green and white color. And they also, I think I remember they have it in blue as well. So I don't know. I wish all the other colors were available. I could have purchased all the darker colors. But also green is also my favorite color, so I wouldn't mind that at all. So wow, the leather is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So they said that this one is made up of 100% calf skin leather. So there is a pocket right here in front. As you guys could see, the stitching is absolutely beautiful. Then their branding right here, Jacquemus. This one has a silver hardware. The metal logo right there. So yeah, this is like brand new. I did not see any marks at all or scratches, because this particular type of leather, smooth leather, it's prone with scratches. So okay, it came in with a strap. Also, the strap is not removable, as you guys could see on the side, and it is adjustable as well. There were a few settings right here, so you could just adjust it according to your desired length. Beautiful. I love those stitching. Oh my gosh. And then let's open the bag. I am excited to see the interior. Okay, this one has the leather pull tab right here with the silver hardware. The silver is more likely in a matte finish, but yeah, it's in a muted silver hardware, like there's no shine in it. It is muted. So let's open inside. Okay, another stuffing. Okay, so this is the interior. It opens like this. There is a card. There is a side pocket right here. When you more likely this is a card where you could put your card in here. It is a card holder, and then there is a patch right there. It says Jacquemus, made in Italy, right there. And the interior is fully lined with this fabric, the cream fabric. And we have the tag, and it says right here in green color, Lu Baneto. This one is $345 US right now, since I got this one on sale. Okay, a pretty good price though for this leather, and I think the craftsmanship is absolutely beautiful. Upon checking at it right now, for $345, definitely worth it. So that's the interior, and then the fabric feels a little bit, it's very thick. Wow, very nice. I love the detailed inside. There's no other pocket aside from the card holder right there. And then let's take a look at the back of it. And then the back has a pocket as well right here. Wow, so beautiful. Yeah, the pocket right here on the back, and then another pocket right here on the front, which is also lined with this thick fabric. So let me just close it again. Yeah, it's all right. It's not very smooth. Right here, right there. I might put some wax in it. So this is the side. This one is not removable at all. I wish it is removable so I could just wear it as a clutch or used other strap though. But this is how it looks right here. This is the bottom. And on the side, there's a little bit of, it is a lobster clip right here. And you can hang anything actually, but mainly this is more of an accessories though. Oh, there is the logo right there, engraved, Jacquemus. Very nice detail though. So this one actually hangs lower. So maybe if you want to hang something, a bag charm, or it could be anything, pom-poms or whatever. So you could put that one right there, but mainly this is more likely in accessories on the bag itself. So yeah, this one is actually hanging low. Yeah, it is actually, if you put the bag, if you lay the bag, yeah, okay, it moves like that. So pretty much this is, wow, this is a really nice crossbody bag. I like that it is compact and it is petite. So right now all of these the Baneto on the website, they're all sold out. So I think you could buy it somewhere else. All you have to do is just Google it, and don't expect that you're gonna get this one on the same price as what Jacquemus are actually offering right now, 345. And also sometimes the colors, the pricing varies with the colors as well. So yeah, if you're gonna buy it this one somewhere else, I think you're gonna pay a lot more though. But I totally love the color, the leather, the detailed around it. This one is perfectly done. Wow, you can't beat the price. Love it. I just love the simplicity of it. Very nice. So anyway, this is the Jacquemus Baneto. So later on in my video, I will do what fits in this beauty right here. But for right now, this is the unboxing and a little bit of a detailed information about the Baneto. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.